Can soursop tea be consumed while taking chemotherapy?
Chemotherapy is a very, very strong treatment. It puts a lot of load on the body also. A lot of information, as we have already discussed, is under research and needs conclusive data. Consumption of soursop tea leaves during these times should be first consulted with your doctor.
Yeah.
The kind of medicine you are taking, the kind of therapy, your frequency of treatment, how well your body is receiving, reacting to the medicine, how well you're doing. There are a number of questions that needs to be answered first before taking any other medicine. So I believe that you should first consult your doctor who you are under supervision.
Yeah, I think that's most important. Of course, before we ingest and consume anything, especially while taking treatment, it is imperative that one consults with their doctor. Thank you for that advice,
Yeah.
Dr. Jain.